Hello PPCR team, this is Eduardo D'Alessandro speaking from home here in Brazil. I'm really excited with this course, and during this week we had amazing discussions on the topics proposed by the coordination. So I would like to give a quick video comment on this week's topics. We started this week talking about ethics in research, and everyone had a chance to talk about the bioethics principles of Beauchamp, like autonomy, non-maleficence, beneficence, and justice. This was a really hot topic. Everyone had lots of experience to share, and also we talked about innovation in medicine. And it got intertwined. Actually, we had innovation and mentorship and translational research. To me, it all came to be related to creativity, like how do you inspire someone to develop his career? How do you inspire someone to think outside the box in order to provide breakthroughs? And one of the things that got me really going this week was this innovation discussion. And in this topic, I think we actually had a little bit about it when Marwa was talking about how could you actually train someone to be a leader or a mentor, if it was a talent or if it could be trained. And then I guess it was Nicolas from Bogota who shared an article about training creativity. And this article actually got me to another paper that was referenced about collective intelligence and how can you actually measure a group intelligence. They had this question if it was a measure about mean, like all the individuals have this IQ test, and if you get the scores and you get an average, then you would have the group average intelligence, but it doesn't goes like that. And so they had a few experiments where they had like 100 or maybe 200 individuals in groups of 3 people, and then they repeated the experiment with groups ranging from 2 to 5 individuals, and they could measure this group intelligence according to tasks that were proposed. So what they found is that there is a correlation, actually a mathematical tip that there is actually a coefficient of intelligence that you could apply to a group, but it's not related to the average of each individual intelligence. It's more related to a few factors that are quite interesting actually. The first one is that the more the group reveals social abilities, like they have this test like read the mind through the eyes test, where you are shown like 36 plus pictures of people, and then you have to interpret their emotional feelings. So it would be like a test of emotional intelligence, I guess. And then you would have another factor related to talking turns. The more people are allowed to share their ideas, they have more talking turns, the greater the group intelligence appears, and also the amount of females in a group. And then the author says that, oh, maybe because the females are more prone to do better in this read the mind through the eyes test. But my wife actually told me that when a woman is in a group, there's too many men, she tends to be quiet, and then if the amount of females in the group increases, then the women tend to talk more. So I guess what this takes me to is like communication actually. So if the group can communicate quite well, if we are inclusive, we should do great in this course. Hey, cheers. I'll share here the actual reference. Cheers.